Hi, my name is Moriah Reed, and today I will be presenting to you my research into the combinatorial treatment of HER2-positive breast cancer with trastuzumab. Breast cancer is of medical and scientific importance due to the amount of women who will be diagnosed with and die from it every year. Approximately 20 to 25% of the women that are diagnosed with breast cancer will be characterized as having HER2-positive breast cancer. HER2 stands for the human epidermal growth factor receptor 2. HER2 positive breast cancer is distinguished by an overexpression of the HER2 protein. The HER2 protein is responsible for cell growth and proliferation. Therefore, when there is an overexpression of this HER2 protein, it can lead to malignant cells and ultimately tumor formation. Now, trastuzumab, seen in figure 1, is a monoclonal antibody that specifically binds with the HER2 protein. And trastuzumab is the leading treatment for HER2 positive breast cancer. The objective of this study is to compare the effectiveness of trastuzumab in various combinations with other treatment. Specifically, we'll be looking at chemotherapy, hormonal therapy, and one other monoclonal antibody called pertuzumab, which binds to the HER2 protein and can be seen in figure 3. The research for this literature review was done through SciFinder, and the keyword search can be seen in the methods section. The literature was refined down to studies regarding breast cancer specifically, and the references were organized by the number of citing references that they had. As seen in figure 4, Calu-3 tumors were injected into mice, and the tumor size was monitored over time. The mice were either treated with a vehicle with trastuzumab, with pertuzumab, or with a combination of those two antibodies. As you can see in figure 5, the percent reduction of the tumor was calculated in comparison to the vehicle. And as you can see, when trastuzumab was used in combination with pertuzumab, there was a greater tumor reduction in comparison to either trastuzumab or pertuzumab used by themselves. Furthermore, trastuzumab was used in combination with cytotoxic agents and hormonal therapy, with one of the cytotoxic agents being an antibody drug conjugate, as seen in figure 2. In figure 7, you can see the percent increase in the progression-free survival for those different treatments, with hormonal therapy exhibiting a 100% increase in progression-free survival. In addition to the chemotherapy and hormonal therapy, pertuzumab was added to those combinations. And as seen in figure 8 and figure 9, there was another increase in progression-free survival when pertuzumab was added to those combinations. Overall, trastuzumab in combination with chemotherapy and antibody drug conjugate, hormonal therapy, and pertuzumab exhibit an increase in progression-free survival. This increase might be explained by the crossover of signaling between pertuzumab, trastuzumab, and hormonal therapy. The versatility of trastuzumab makes this a very attractive option for those that are suffering with HER2-positive breast cancer. I'd like to thank Dr. Nguyen for all her guidance throughout this project, and thank you for your time.